If you're looking at the Marriott Cancun, make sure you're booking the right one, because there are actually 2 Marriott-branded resorts sitting side by side here in Cancun's hotel zone. Firstly, you've got the JW Marriott Cancun Resort and Spa, which is not all-inclusive and caters more toward luxury travelers who want a la carte dining. And then there's the Marriott All-Inclusive, which is what we're reviewing in this video. And even though these properties are part of the same complex, they do not share amenities. If you book the all-inclusive Marriott, you'll only have access to its own restaurants, pools, and services, not those at the JW next door. So don't expect to bounce between resorts, even if they're under the same brand. I'll leave links to each option below in the description and top comment. The Marriott All-Inclusive is perfectly positioned on a peaceful stretch of the hotel zone, right on the beach, about 18 minutes from Cancun International Airport. You're just a short drive from La Isla Shopping Village, Delfines Beach, Aqua World, and Cancun's interactive aquarium, which makes this one of the most conveniently located resorts for both relaxation and day trips. There's a shuttle to the bus station and free valet and self-parking if you're renting a car. You get easy access to Cancun's best attractions, but with a far quieter and more relaxed atmosphere than the party resorts up the road. When it comes to room quality, the Marriott All-Inclusive delivers a comfortable and well-kept experience that matches its 4.5-star rating. The standard rooms are generous in size, over 420 square feet, and come with either 1 king bed and a sofa sleeper or 2 double beds, making them ideal for couples or families of up to 4. Most rooms also feature resort, partial ocean, or full ocean views, and nearly all include a private balcony or patio. If you're traveling as a couple, I'd recommend booking a king ocean view room or one of the 1-bedroom oceanfront suites. These give you that classic Caribbean backdrop from your window and a bit more privacy, perfect for honeymoons or romantic getaways. The upgraded suites also include more living space, which makes a big difference if you're planning to spend downtime in the room. For families, the rooms with 2 double beds are the most practical, and they can easily accommodate rollaway beds or cribs, which are available for free on request. These setups work especially well if you're traveling with small kids and don't want to book a second room. If you're looking for something upscale without going overboard, the suite with balcony or oceanfront view offers the best value. These suites give you a bit more breathing room, panoramic views of the beach, and more of a private home feel than a standard hotel layout, ideal for longer stays or special occasions. You can book any of these rooms at the best price currently available using the link below. This is where the resort really earns its stars. The Marriott All-Inclusive is built for both families and adults looking to unwind, and they've done a great job balancing the two. There are 2 outdoor pools, including a kid-friendly pool with slides, a lazy river, and even a small water park area, all with lifeguards on duty. Cabanas are available to rent, and there's a swim-up bar for adults who want a cocktail without leaving the water. If you're here to relax, you'll love the beachfront massage setup, the hot tub, and the full-service spa offering deep tissue massages, facials, body scrubs, and nail treatments. And if you're more of the active type, there's a fitness center, daily yoga and water aerobics classes, and even a wine tasting room. For families, the kids' club, playground, and arcade offer plenty to keep little ones busy. There's also concierge assistance, multilingual staff, and daily housekeeping that goes beyond expectations. According to recent reviews, the service here is consistently warm, friendly, and genuinely helpful. Marriott Cancun isn't a party resort, but it still provides a nice lineup of daily and evening entertainment. You'll find live music, beach games, and occasional themed nights without it ever feeling intrusive or overwhelming. Past guests frequently praise the entertainment team for creating a fun vibe that's engaging but never too loud. There's a strong, family-friendly energy here, with casual events, dance lessons, and games for all ages. And if you do want to experience Cancun's nightlife, you're only about 10 to 15 minutes by cab from the clubs and beach bars, but far enough away that you'll actually get some sleep when you return. If you do want a party resort, then you're better off going for Grand Oasis or Temptation if you're feeling really wild. Both reviews are included in the Cancun playlist linked below. Now let's talk about the food, because this is where many all-inclusives can fall short, but Marriott Cancun holds its own. You'll have access to 10 different dining options, ranging from casual beach eats to international and Mexican cuisine. The Sac Bay Beach Shack is a guest favorite for fresh ceviche right by the water, while Casa Madre serves traditional Mexican dishes in a more elevated setting. There's even a Polynesian grill, an American-style burger joint, a snack bar, and a swim-up bar for light bites and drinks. Vegan and vegetarian dishes are clearly labeled, and multiple reviews praise the kitchen staff for going above and beyond to accommodate food allergies or special diets, even making off-menu dishes when asked. And yes, 24-hour room service is included, so whether you're up late or just want a lazy breakfast on your balcony, it's all covered. While guests staying more than a week said the options can get a bit repetitive, the quality, freshness, and service more than make up for it. As solid as this resort is, it's not without a few trade-offs, and knowing them up front will help you avoid surprises. First, while there are 10 restaurants on site, several are lunch only or operate on rotating hours. So depending on when you visit, it might feel like you're limited to 3 or 4 options each night. The food quality is excellent, but if you're staying longer than 5 or 6 nights, you may find yourself repeating a few meals unless you take advantage of room service or venture off-site. Second, because this is a family-friendly resort, expect to see kids around the pool and at meals, especially during holiday weeks or school breaks. If you're a couple looking for an ultra-quiet, adults-only vibe, you may want to consider properties like LeBlanc or the JW Marriott next door, which isn't all-inclusive but is noticeably more upscale and serene. And while the beach is absolutely beautiful, soft white sand and lots of loungers, it can occasionally get some seaweed depending on the season. The staff do a great job cleaning it up, but it's something to keep in mind if crystal clear shoreline is your top priority. For what you get, the Marriott Cancun All-Inclusive offers exceptional value, especially compared to other beachfront resorts in Cancun's hotel zone. At around $420 to $530 per night, you're getting spacious rooms, high-end amenities, quality food, and genuinely friendly service. The fact that Wi-Fi, room service, valet, and water park access are all included adds even more value, especially for families or groups who don't want to nickel and dime their way through a vacation. What makes it even more appealing is that it strikes a really rare balance. It's upscale without being pretentious, polished but still approachable. You're not paying for unnecessary luxury touches you won't use, but you're also not sacrificing comfort or cleanliness. In fact, reviews consistently mention how well-kept and spotless the property is, both in the rooms and common areas. So while it's not the cheapest option in town, it hits that sweet spot between affordability and quality, making it one of the best value all-inclusive resorts in Cancun right now. This resort is a solid recommendation for families, couples, and small groups who want a stress-free vacation with excellent service, great food, and a beachfront location that's close to everything but still calm. If you're traveling with kids, the lazy river, water slides, kids club, and on-demand cribs make it one of the most family-friendly properties in the area. If you're a couple looking for peace and quiet, you'll still find plenty of space to relax, especially in the spa, beachfront loungers, or the quieter pool areas. But just know it's not strictly adults only. And if you're someone who values service, reliability, and a brand name you can trust, the Marriott badge brings a level of consistency that many other all-inclusives struggle to deliver. On the flip side, if you're seeking over-the-top luxury, butler service, or high-end exclusivity, this may not hit the mark. In that case, consider the JW next door. I'll leave links to book both below, plus my Cancun playlist for more alternatives.